Hello, to improve sound quality on your AirPods 4, I've got 3 tips for you, and first of all, we are going to open the AirPods settings. Now we have to scroll until we find accessibility, which will be located here. And now we have to go for iPhone audio and visual settings. So first of all, you have to go for the headphone accommodations. And now, of course, you will have to turn it on by tapping on the switcher. And first, we can tune audio for balanced tone, vocal range, and the brightness. And we can also change the sounds, so they will like slight, moderate, or strong. And I can recommend you to simply play some music and start to changing these options, so you will pick your favorite sound. And also go for the custom audio setup, click to continue, do not use audiogram, click continue again. And now if you can hear that sound, click yes, click continue, and now you will hear, let's click continue, you will hear the same sound for the version first and the second. And right here, you have to pick every comparison that sounds better for you. So it looks like this. And now as you can see, you can continue with the standard one or the custom one. So pick this one that sounds better. Probably the custom one will be better for you. So click continue, and now it's finished. But also, there's the last tip. If you are using Apple Music, YouTube Music, or Spotify, you have to search for a sound equalizer. So let's say that I'm using Apple Music, and I have to actually go for Apple Music that will be located on apps. And first of all, I have to be sure that I'm using high quality of streaming, and also that I'm using equalizer. So here you can for sure turn it off. That's actually how it looks as default, but you can find here a lot of the presets. So if you like to boost bass, for example, then for sure you can do this by selecting one of the following options. So also I recommend you to simply play some music while changing this equalizer presets. And that will be all. Thanks for watching.